Welcome to a brief tutorial on how to check out equipment from the R. Jack Fishman Library. You'll first need to complete an online form to reserve your equipment. To get to the form, you'll need to access the library homepage. You can do that by going to library.ws.edu, or you can go to Walter State's page and click on the library link towards the top right of the screen. Once you've accessed the library homepage, you can get to the form by either clicking on the link here for reservation form, or you can scroll down and click on equipment checkout. Both of these methods will take you to this page to start the process. Click on the icon or picture of the type of equipment that you're interested in checking out. For example, if I'm interested in reserving a personal hotspot, I would click on the Verizon MiFi picture. Then I would scroll down until I find an available number, and that's indicated by a green box or green bar next to that number. So it looks like number 149 is available. So when I click on this green box, I'm taken to the bottom of the screen and I'm shown that I can add this device to my cart. Disregard the return date on here. We will change that whenever you come to pick up your device. So I'm going to add this to my cart, and then I'm going to go back up to the top of the screen and I'm going to check out. So I'm going to click on the green checkout box. You can see here is the item that you reserved. We also have information listed on our policies and procedures in regard to checking out equipment. So once I've read through this information, I'll either continue or add another booking. So in this case, I just want the Wi-Fi box, so I'm going to continue, and then I'll fill out this electronic form and submit my booking. Then you'll be ready to check out the device at the library. Whenever you come to the library, be sure to bring a valid form of ID. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the library by email or phone. The circulation desk number is 423-585-6903. Thanks and have a great day.